Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript top 40 one-liners that every developer must know. In the last episode, part 12, we wrote a code to check if a string ends with a suffix. Today, we are learning a one-liner to check if the string starts with a prefix. Now, both these use cases are especially important, like I mentioned in the last episode, especially while filtering, etc. Right? So, extremely critical and important. So, let's go ahead right in and learn how to check if a string starts with prefix. This is part 13 of the series. If you have missed out on the first 12 parts, make sure that you go through them. All are killer one-liners that you should be learning pretty fast. Alright, so this is part 13. Alright, let's throw in and doc type HTML. Also, a lot of times a lot of you have written to me asking what are the Visual Studio Code extensions that I use and for coding help, etc. So probably I'll be doing that episode soon to share those extensions that I use to become more productive. Alright, for now let's write a function to check if a string starts with prefix. Alright, so now again as usual we'll need two inputs. One is the string which we will compare and one is the prefix. And we are going to use string function which is starts with, right? In the previous episode we learned a method which says ends with. That will check for the suffix at the end. Starts with will check at the starting. And here we'll pass the prefix that we want and let's test it out. That's it. So my whole idea of starting this mini series was also to give you a refresher on the different inbuilt functions that are already there that you can learn and master and start using it. Alright, so now this is a positive true. I know that this will work and I'm passing. This should be true, right? Because it will pass, this should be false. That's the expected outcome. So let's see it in action. Reveal in Finder and open Chrome. These are all simple one-liners like see true and false, right? Again, like I told you in the last time, if you are doing a case sensitive data, let's say small arc and capital, it will give you false. Okay, for that the fix also I told you we need to convert it into a lowercase and then do that comparison, right? It's always good to convert it into a lowercase and then start it. Probably I'll give you that code snippet, attempt it. If not, I'll give you that code snippet in next episode or so. Alright, that's for today. So the important thing that you're learning is this one liner using starts with. Okay. Alright, thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'm sure a lot of you are writing to me saying that you're really enjoying this series. So thank you so much for that. Keep that comments and emails coming. Please do hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.